In today's video, I will teach you how to use reference photos to edit images in Lightroom. Let's get started. Using reference photos in Lightroom can significantly improve your editing process by allowing you to compare your current edit to another photo side by side. This is particularly useful when you're trying to achieve a consistent look across multiple photos or when matching colors and tones from a reference image. You can start by opening the Develop module, where you can access all editing tools. In the Develop module, click on the Reference View icon located at the bottom left of the toolbar. If you don't see the toolbar, simply press T on your keyboard to display it. Alternatively, you can press Shift-R to switch to the reference view. Now there are two ways to select your reference photo. The first is dragging and dropping the photo. To do this, drag the photo that you want to use as a reference from the film strip at the bottom into the reference side of the workspace. And the second method is right-clicking on the desired photo in the film strip and selecting Set as Reference Photo. The image that you want to edit will appear on the active side of the workspace. And you can make adjustments to your active photo using the tools in the Develop module while comparing it to the reference photo side by side. To change the reference photo, simply drag another photo from your film strip into the reference panel. You can also right-click another photo in the film strip and select Set as Reference Photo. You can use reference photos to match colors and tones for consistency across a photo series or a project. And if you're editing multiple photos from the same shoot, a reference photo helps maintain a consistent look. You can also use a reference photo to compare your current edit with an unedited version or an earlier edit to see the progress. Reference photos in Lightroom are a powerful tool for achieving consistent edits across multiple images or for matching specific looks. By using the reference view, you can easily compare and adjust your edits, ensuring that your images align perfectly with your creative vision or client requirements. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.